Hello everyone, this is Tammy the Fibonacci Princess. It is Saturday, July 26th, and this is a video on Hims stock. Now I know Hims was hurt from some news and it did cause it to have a pullback. I'm not exactly sure when that was. I think it was on this pullback right here, and since then it's kind of had a slow grind back up. But I'll show you what I think is interesting about Hims, because it was on its way to those larger swing target extensions, which the target extensions are always going to line up from whatever the low they're from. So the 4th of April low, which you can see that down here, it says 4 APR 2025. Okay, 25, which is 4th of April 2025. First target off of that larger swing is 86.31. Second target is 103.27. Now let me tell you why I think this is interesting. We had that 19th of February high to the 4th of April low. There's a lot of stocks that bounce somewhere between, somewhere around that first week of April, because we had a bounce in the market, obviously. We went through the 786 of this swing up, which was 62.49. And usually what that means is we may get a pullback, but the move is going to continue on up to these target extensions. Now we did get some of the moving averages back on the side of the bears there, but we did not go under the 200 simple moving average, which is the pink dotted line. So that means you could still make a case for the bulls. So we continued this move up. And now what I'm looking at is the swing that is from the 3rd of June to the 26th of June. We're still inside of that swing. Targets off of that swing, which line up with that low, are 74.58 and 83.74. Not sure what happened with these lines over here, but so you still have a long way to go here on Hims. You've got some 786 retracements here that could cause us to pull back this next week. So if we get a pullback, what I'm going to be looking for is a pullback similar to the rest of these swings here, right? Oh, I need to take off that hot button. I don't know what's going on with that. So what that would look like, okay, if we look at these swings, we go from the high from Friday, from yesterday. So if that high is in place, of course, that would give us some price support. I actually may get a hold of some of this myself, because I really like how this price support is so defined. Let's see, that would be anywhere from 52 to about 55 would be your zone of risk. Okay, we could go lower than that. I mean, I'm not saying we couldn't, but that's a nice little setup zone for you there to continue this move up on Hims if the high is in place from Friday. If we go higher on Monday without pulling back, then I will need to recalculate that, rerun that support. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great rest of the afternoon and a fantastic weekend. And be sure to follow me on X at TraderTammy1 and follow me on YouTube, Tammy Marshall. Let's see, my YouTube link to be exact is at Fiboancci Princess. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.